I bought in the suburbs less than an hour outside San Francisco, but the Bay Area market is so hot that I paid $520,000 for this fixer-upper, sight unseen, and I'm investing $370,000 in the renovation. I spent 35 grand on the living room challenge last week, and I came out on top. I want to stay on a roll by spending 70 grand on a winning kitchen. Jonathan won the kitchen challenge last year, so stakes are high for Team Drew. I just don't see how he can compete. I have a big space, a lot of features going in. That means a big sale price for this house. Yeah! This is good. Good day's work here. We have to make this an unbelievable kitchen because I do not want to lose again. So let's make this kitchen unbeatable.
Winning beats losing every day.
I bought this fixer-upper for $420,000, and I have a full renovation budget of $460 grand. Last week, I spent $50,000 in a losing effort transforming the tiny little kitchen into an amazing eco-chic living room. I don't want to get robbed again, so I'm hoping $90,000 for the kitchen reno will get me into the win column.
Here we go.
Nice.
Doesn't look like the same house.
Whoa, that's crazy. Whoa.
This is awesome. It looks like a brand new house. Before it looked like a shack.
What do you want to start with, the kitchen?
Sure.
Look, Steve, you got your microwave.
I really dig the flat black.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's nice.
very modern.
I love this big island. It's a good entertainment space for sure. It doesn't really look anything like the befores, which is pretty awesome.
Nice big window, an amazing view. It's really neutral, but then they brought color in where you can kind of change it.
This is Jonathan all over it.
You think? Look at this bar area. Morning coffee bar.
Cappuccino and a cocktail. Start your day here, finish your day here.
Yeah, what a good day, too. Whoa, Steve, there's your dream wall.
Is that real?
Seems pretty real.
I know.
This bathroom's awesome. Great graphic bathroom.
It's perfect.
And then nice eating area.
Nice little round table.
Feels good in here. Great job. Whoa. I know that we do this for a living, but this is not the same house.
No, it's not.
Talk about an after. Opened it all up. I'm totally in shock.
This is amazing.
Nice, huge island. And it's nice that the stove is on the island. Very pretty. This is also very modern.
Yeah.
So they took these old houses and made them really modern. Vaulted ceilings. Whoa, Steve, that was not
Unexpected.
in here before. They do have some twinsies things, don't they?
It's like very close in style. It just makes it tricky to like pick out who's who. I love wood. I like these cabinets a lot. Oh, that's cool.
Cool lighting. Modern, clean, simple. I like that. And then here's a nice big dining table.
Big table,
Yep.
seat 6. This is cool. I like this area over here, Leanne.
Yeah.
Little office.
This is an awesome solution to the half wall. I like that. Okay, great pantry.
They've got a lot of storage.
Very functional, very livable. They did a good job.
This is tough. I'm gonna have a hard time. I think I know which one I like better. Let's go hash it out.
Should we do some lists, pros, cons?
Scales of justice.
In our opinion, the winning kitchen is Hilltop.
Again! I win this, I do. Yes. This is childhood dream. His kitchen's always beat me. My inner nerd, so happy. I thought I had this one.
You almost had it, I have
Oh my
to
God.
say.
What was the jump out feature? Because for me, I was like, the bark wall has to just.
We liked the bark wall, but we loved the bar area. It was very slick. And the black cabinets, they were pretty
sexy.
good. Because it was like a very well done, classic, modern kitchen.
This is the best win of all time, and there is nothing in the universe that would have had Drew beat me for this. This is brother versus brother, Jonathan versus Drew. If we're tearing out this old path,
Yeah.
and we're doing those new paths,
And obviously, we're pouring that in new concrete. So we're gonna have kind of a screen that we'll put on the patio there, and it's gonna extend out about 12 feet. Yeah.
And then we're shifting this over, and I'll rearrange the planting, bring these plants over in this area.
Exactly. The stucco on the house is all gonna be patched. Everything will be perfect. I'm gonna do a black fascia board all the way along just to make everything pop. Black and white. Let's look out back.
All right.
All right, we have a lot of work to do back here. County's making us pull all the stucco off, and we've got to make this a shear wall. A shear wall is basically a reinforcement that strengthens the whole structure in case there's an earthquake or something that's going to compromise the building. That is work that I did not plan on doing. 3. I feel great because I have a nice outdoor space, a lot of room, it's a wide lot. I already have the pool that's almost done. I want it to be inviting and comfortable, but I don't want to spend too much. I have this blank slate to work with, and then out front is just super simple, just to make it pop a little bit, but we don't have to go crazy. I know we're gonna have to bring a lot of rock in. Oh, that little mini cinder block wall. I'm gonna go over here and work on my karate moves.
Good luck.
Yeah. Hey guys, come on in.
Wow, gorgeous.
My living and dining area renovation got off to a slow start,
I don't have the permit yet. There's been a delay with engineering.
but we finished strong. The exposed beam looked just as amazing as the rest of the space.
People pay thousands of dollars to put some sort of a beam that's a rustic feature.
Right.
Why don't we leave it exposed?
It's a cool focal point. I mean, it makes it more modern.
Just beautiful. Just beautiful.
I love the kitchen.
Getting my open concept in the kitchen was a pain,
What the hell is that doing here?
but worth fighting for because these clean lines make a huge difference.
The kitchen, walking through there is just amazing.
I feel really bad for Jonathan because this is going really, really well.
Wow.
This room is beautiful.
Completing the master suite was no walk in the park,
So he's done no work upstairs.
No work.
That's gonna cost me this challenge.
but Team Drew found a way.
The shower and his and her toilet area.
Amazing.
Every square inch of this house has been updated, and every square inch of this house is adding value.
The crown jewel of this renovation almost didn't happen.
I hope you're bringing me good news.
We're starting from scratch, and you're talking quite a bit of money here.
And based on the reactions, I think the gamble will pay off.
I really like that wood back there.
That's gorgeous.
In the guest bedroom challenge, I took one for the team.
The whole freaking ceiling just fell down on my face.
But Team Drew pulled through.
Look at that wall. I've never seen that before.
I'm open house ready. Already, I can see people coming. I think anyone who sees inside the house is gonna fall in love with it.
Wow. Oh my goodness, look at that. Yes.
Installing this bifold door was a huge effort,
We don't have enough room for the door. There's brick in the way.
but it was totally worth it because it sets this house apart.
That door is incredible.
This high, flat ceiling with the open, airy feel is wowing people.
Feels like a resort in here.
But it did not come easy.
Bill!
What's up?
If we're gonna get this up, we've only got clearance of 13 inches.
That beam's not gonna fit.
We moved mountains to get this steel beam in.
Kitchen that could entertain, it's absolutely perfect.
And the master bedroom is a perfect example of my mid-century modern design.
Feels so spacious.
We brought this master bathroom back from the dead.
This is Vegas. We're either gonna find gold bars or buried bodies.
I think I want to move inside this house. Amazing.
This specialty space challenge did not start well.
Well, that's not good.
But we leveled the floor, and the fifth bedroom is a huge plus for the listing.
This is nice.
The guest bedroom and bath challenge gave a little,
There's actually money in there.
You got about $3.
Right now, I could use it.
and took a lot.
Come on, you can make it. Save me $5 grand.
But the final design was right on the mark. I ran into some big, nasty surprises while doing the exterior,
If we have to replace the whole driveway, that's gonna cost more than every other holy crap moment we've come across.
but it was worth it in the end because buyers are loving what they see.
Loving it. I love that there's multiple entertaining spaces.
The big question is it gonna sell for more money than Drew's? And I feel like it will. I feel like I managed to keep my construction costs down low enough that there's a good margin for profit, and that's all I need.
Okay, guys,
And the winner of Brother versus Brother this season by $14,000 is, take off your blindfolds, Jonathan! 2 years in a row is unbelievable. So when I decided to go with the mid-century modern, it was going to be as authentic as I could possibly make it. And that caters to a very niche market of home buyers. So it was a bit of a risk, and I had some overages, but in the end, the gamble paid off. Second year in a row listening to Jonathan, this sucks. Oh, if I didn't spend the extra money on the roof and the pool, I would have beat Jonathan. But it's okay, I don't feel bad. I would have felt even worse if I was handing a house over to a buyer with problems. This house does not have any problems, and they're gonna love it.
This is Brother versus Brother, San Francisco Bay! I feel confident about the challenge this week, but I'm a little fractured from last week because I thought hands down I would win the Master Suite Challenge. I did not see there being any scenario where I would lose, and sure enough, I did. So this week, losing the bonus rooms challenge is not an option. I bought this fixer-upper for $420,000, and I'm investing $460,000 for the renovation. I spent just under 160 grand on the living room, kitchen, and dining room, and another $84,500 on my master suite. Every dollar counts now, so I've got to stick to my budget of $95,000 to transform the laundry room and the loft space. I bought this property for $520,000, and I'm budgeting $370 grand for the renovation. I spent $109,000 on the living room and kitchen challenges, then $45,000 went into my master suite reno. Now I'm investing just over $100,000, a big chunk of my budget, into a game-changing rental unit that could not only win me this challenge, but the entire competition as well.
Oh, wow. This is amazing.
The whole concept is eco-chic.
Eco-chic.
Yeah, you like that?
I love that.
But this isn't part of what you're judging today.
Oh, that's right. It's only, where's the space then?
Down this way. Okay, first stop, the laundry room.
Oh, boy. I always love a good pop of color, really unexpected. And you've got a lot of storage, which you know is important on a buyer's list. Textures, you got this wood, it looks great. This is a laundry room you might not want to leave. You might do laundry for the rest of your life.
That's some good size.
What did this look like before? Because that's going to be the real truth.
Well, if you remember back to the before photos, there was a weird looking storage room, and that was both these spaces. So they created...
The laundry room and this room.
They created a legal bedroom and a laundry room.
Okay, so number one, anytime you can add an additional bedroom, you're smart. You're increasing the property value right there. That's great. Love that you have a closet. And I love the light wood floor because, you know, dark has been the trend for so long. It's nice to see something different.
And we're heading up into the loft.
Oh, boy. This room has presence.
Nice and bright.
It definitely hits you like, wow.
The only way to get in here before was a set of stairs outside the garage.
I love the natural light that just floods through this room, and you've got this view here. You really can't beat that. Oh, wow, this is amazing. Well, what was it before?
It was nothing. This was all dug out, so it was,
Oh, so this part of the house was underground.
pretty much unusable.
I really like it. You know, it's making something out of nothing. And I think buyers are gonna receive it well. Again, it adds to curb appeal before you even go inside.
Yeah, I like it too.
Wait a minute.
Is this the same place?
This is a studio apartment?
Yeah.
This is great, okay, because now with more and more people doing rentables or temporary rentals, it's nice to have this space to make up for some of your mortgage. And I can see this space really being a selling feature for this house. I haven't even seen the rest of it yet. In the car, you showed me a space that had a bunch of wood paneling. I thought that's what we were looking at.
It looked completely different before. As I said out here where they dug the side out, they also dug out part of the basement. So it's now a legal suite.
I wonder here how much this space would rent for. I'm always thinking numbers. You've got your quartz countertop. What a statement on that backsplash. It's great seating space. You don't feel cramped. See, I come from New York. I know a New York studio apartment. This is a San Fran studio. The winner is the Canyon property.
You're wrong. 2 in a row! Oh my gosh, Jonathan was